Bye-bye. 정말 오랜만입니다, 여러분.
It's been a while, everyone.
보고 싶었습니다.
I really missed all of you.
마리스키타. 다들 잘 지내셨죠?
How are you all? Let's give a big round of applause to our forever
오늘 이렇게 귀한 시간 내주셔서 정말 진심으로 감사드리고 정말 행복한 시간 그리고 오래 추억할 수 있는 시간이 되었으면 좋겠습니다.
Thank you so much. Sana will have a very precious time together, something that we can cherish for a very long time. Alright, may we request Mr. Lee Ho to join us here on the main stage? Hello everyone! Magandang gabi, Pilipino! Hello, good evening. And I'm your host for tonight's Minhoverse in the Philippines. My name is Corinne Kale! Thank you sa mga tato na nakakilala sa akin dyan. Thank you very much. And of course, you all know what Minhoverse means, right? It represents Minho's very own world, his universe. And tonight with our beloved Filipino Minos, who will be traveling throughout the stars within this Minhoverse. Each star holds a special mission. So let's team up with Minho and complete the mission. Now, pwede ba tayo ma-open mo naman?
네.
Okay pa ba kayo lahat dyan? Parang medyo mahina. Very good. Nakasampa natin, huwag niya kung ipapahiya, Alright.
네, 어느덧 벌써 마지막 방문한 지 2년이 지났던 것 같은데
It's been a while, almost 2 years since nakabalik ako dito. Correct. It's been 2 years since your last visit. And what words come to mind when you think of your Filipino roots?
열정?
Passion?
Passion.
Yes. Paramdam nga ng passion dyan. That's true. Filipinos are very passionate. That's true.
Siyempre, talaga.
And you visited the Philippines quite a lot actually. So is there any place or any memory that stands out?
아무래도 필리핀은 예쁜 섬들이 많으니까
Well, Philippines, di ba, it's known for having beautiful islands.
Yes.
섬을 가고 싶은데
I really want to visit one of the islands.
Is there any island you want to visit? Boracay, Cebu.
보라카이, 세부 그러니까 아는 데 말고 저 안 가보는 사람들이 아직 잘 모르는 데 있으면 그런 데 가보고 싶어요.
Well, of course, Boracay, Cebu, but I really want to go somewhere that's very unknown and unpopular yet, and to discover the beauty of it.
Yes, there's so many beautiful things to be discovered in the Philippines, including the Filipino people, right? Yeah. So we can really feel how much you love the Philippines, Minos. Now let's officially begin our journey through Minhoverse. So shall we head to our first star? Handa na ba kayo sa unang bituin? Yeah. This star, which represents Minho's birthday, June 22. Cancer. My birthday is June 24. Diba? Ay, talaga nag-share pa ako dito. Yes. Is the most Minho-like space in the entire Minhoverse. Now, it's time for a special segment where Minho himself will answer the questions you sent in advance. And welcome to Ask Minho! Palakpakan naman dyan! Medyo konti kulang ang enerhiya natin, guys, ha?